Having trouble with your start menu not popping up or doing anything when you click it? No sweat. Check out this video where I'll walk you through fixing this problem on your Windows 11 PC. Let's jump right into the fixes without wasting any time. Solution 1. Restart Windows Explorer. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the pop-up menu. Now in the search box, type in Windows Explorer. Then right-click on Windows Explorer process and select Restart from the context menu. After it's restarted, check if the start menu works or not. Solution 2. Repair Windows System Files. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator from the menu and click on Yes to give permission. Now in this window, type in sfc/scan now and hit Enter. After that, type in dism/online/cleanup-image/check health and press the Enter key. Next, type dism/online/cleanup-image/scan health and press Enter. Then type in dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and hit Enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and see if that did the trick. Solution 3. Restart Windows Background Services. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the pop-up menu. Then in the search box here, type in Start. Next, right-click on Start and select End Task. Once the process is ended, the Start menu should start working. So that's about it. That's how you fix the Start menu or the Start button not working issue in Windows 11. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll hit you back real soon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.